Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 4319 Lake Road on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is an historic Pultneyville dream home, updated to perfection, with 60 feet of beautiful waterfront. So let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends to this lakefront dream home. With a spacious foyer, open to an office, and an entertainment-sized dining room, all with crown molding, beadboard walls, and cherry floors.
This designer kitchen is updated to perfection, featuring craft-made white and bright cabinetry, granite countertops, a subway tile backsplash, high-end appliances, and a center island with quartz countertops and a breakfast bar, all with hickory floors, leading to a waterfront breakfast nook, a powder room, and laundry. A one-of-a-kind great room features crown molding, custom woodwork, a gas fireplace, built-ins, and cherry floors, all with a wall of windows and deck access overlooking beautiful Lake Ontario.
The elegant upstairs features 2 updated full bathrooms and 3 spacious bedrooms with beautiful wood floors, including this spectacular master suite with multiple closets, a wall of windows, and a spa bathroom, all with balcony access and elevated lake views. This home is situated on a premier Pultneyville waterfront lot with beautiful landscaping complementing the historic architecture.
This expansive deck and patio have impressive views from sunrise to sunset. Enjoy water activities with 60 feet of waterfront and a fortified stone shoreline.
Historic Pultneyville is a special waterfront community. It has great architecture, restaurants, and shopping. It is a great place to enjoy village waterfront life.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4319 Lake Road in historic Pultneyville.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!